We always see things, but we hardly ever understand how we see them. What makes it possible for us to see things is light. Our main source of light is the sun, our sun. In the late evening, when the sun goes down below the horizon, we can see very beautiful scenes of nature. The sky, the clouds, the sea, all appear different at every moment of sunset. And suddenly, darkness replaces light. Then we need artificial light to be able to see things around us. So we come to know we need light to be able to see objects. During the day, the sun gives us this light. The sun is so bright that we cannot look at it directly with our naked eyes, even during an eclipse. After sunset, at night, when the sun cannot be seen, we use artificial light bulbs and lamps to see objects around us. Light makes the world visible to us. Much of our lives are spent not under the sun, but under artificial illumination. Nevertheless, we use the sun as our main gauge for judging light and color. Light is a form of energy. But why do objects appear of different colors to us? Light and color are closely related. Colors are used by all societies as codes and symbols. Advertisers use colors to persuade customers to buy their products. The Greeks were the first to try to explain the relationship between light and color. Aristotle, one of the greatest Athenian philosophers, thought that light and color were two different things. Light makes the world visible and color is a property of body. Even nowadays, people have a misconception that color is an inherent and unchanging property of objects. In order for us to see an object, we need a light source, the object, and ourselves. René Descartes, a French philosopher and mathematician, had a revolutionary concept. He proposed that color is only a sensation, and without us it would not exist. This meant that objects do not have colors, but they have certain properties that make us see them red, blue, yellow or green. It is only our sensation as human beings that makes us see them of this or that color, but they do not have any colors. Leonardo da Vinci, an Italian engineer and scientist, believed that a body that is surrounded by the greatest darkness would appear the whitest. Light does not require something very substantial to be reflected and seen. Our atmosphere is filled with tiny dust particles, water droplets, and molecules of gases. All these reflect and scatter the sunlight. Light has always fascinated man. So, ancient scientists studied light and they discovered that light has some important properties. One of the properties of light is that it travels in a straight line. Another property of light is reflection. We see things because light is reflected back from them. Objects appear in colors because they reflect some of the wavelengths in light and they absorb other wavelengths. The different colors have different wavelengths. This makes us see objects of different colors. Another important property of light is refraction. Light bends when it passes from a medium of lower density to a medium of higher density, or vice versa. Light enables us to see objects around us. The absence of light or darkness does not. Light is very important for us.